Okay, so good news. My bass boat seats came today. It's like Christmas. Hold on, let me see this. This is Elle. She's my baby. Anyway, she's gonna video me while I open up my bass boat seats. So it's Merry Christmas to me, to Dlaw Fishing. Okay, I haven't seen them, so I'm excited. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at them, and then at some point this week I'm gonna install them, and I'm gonna take out the old ones, clean it up so perfect, make it look amazing, and it's gonna make my old 99 champion look like a champion again. So, all right, let's go. Okay, I don't know what's in each of these boxes, but we are gonna see. I think that's the bottom. This side looks a little easier. Okay, so I ordered these seats from is it LeBlanc or LeBlanc? I can't tell. Anyway, company.
It's important to use a font people can read when you bring it.
It's a company in Texas, and they said that they would put the logo on the seats. So I'm excited to see what that looks like. Okay, so we went with some new colors, so it's going to make the boat look a little different. I'm kind of excited about it. Oh, nice. What do you think?
That's real sharp.
That look good?
Yeah. Is it a
Come over here in
silver?
the light, yeah.
Is it a stitch or a foil?
You
It's
can't really
embossed.
tell how they put that on there, but
Plastic, yeah.
looks good. I was thinking it was going to be embroidered, but anyway, so that's my front fishing seat. Okay, here's the back fishing seat. Also with the champion. Go ahead and just take it out of here. I wanted to see what the colors look like. So they make these after you order, they said. So that's why I was surprised they came. They told me mid-January. They got here before Christmas. So that's my new backseat fisher. Hopefully you like the colors. I like the blue. I don't know. I've been into blue lately for some reason. Sky blue. Okay. Where'd my knife go? Let's see what this one is. I think this is the console. Sure. Yeah, so the lady, after I ordered these online, she called me up and said that the color that I picked for my main color, which was actually more of a silver than a gray, she said they couldn't put the champion logo on. Okay, yeah, I was right. This is the console. She said they couldn't put the champion logo on that silver, so we switched it to this gray, which was fairly close in color. Okay, that's nice. So my old console isn't rubber on top. It's carpet, so I like this better. And actually my old console blew out on a windy road. Well, that's different. I was trying to unsnap it from here, but it unsnaps in there. Okay, so that's the console. And then actually, oh, I see how it works. The whole thing, I guess, is gonna tip for it. It's a little different than the one that I have now. The one I have now it folds this way, which I think the whole thing, because it has the pull strap right there, the whole thing is going to tip up to get into the ice chest, which is underneath this. So I like that though. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For the captain's chairs. Guess I could have done better than a kitchen knife. They taped the heck out of this thing. That's better. That's like 5 pieces of tape. Alright. Hardware. Definitely gonna need that. Oh, these are the bottoms. Pretty sure it's Dlaw Industries. And the backs. Alright, that's nice. Open one so we can see it good. Yeah, so when I got my seats reupholstered 5 years ago, the guys broke these, and then they broke the straps that these slide into, which are in my hardware. They sent me new straps. So my seats have always been loose, and I paid $2,000 to recarpet and reupholster. So I was never happy with those, and they never fixed them. But anyway, these ones are looking really good. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Awesome. So let's see here. If I open up one bottom so we can see it. How it look. About like that. They look comfy. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you like the colors?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's take these out to the boat and just have a quick look-see. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
It looks super sharp.
Maybe it'll go faster because this will let the air through.
I like the blue. Blue's a good touch.
Blue's good? Do you like the Champion logo?
Old and busted. New hotness.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. It'll be interesting how that console works out since it's set up a little differently, but we'll get it done. So, yeah, these have been broken the whole time by my installer, and you can see one of the little things is broken down there. And then actually they handed me this one in a baggie. They gave it back to me, broken. I didn't know at the time because I was a new bass boat owner, so I had no idea what I was getting into at the time. So yeah, I'm super excited now. And I look at it now, like, so you see how that one's bent. But anyway, good times. It's gonna be fun.